Wow, 2025 went by so fast, didn't it?
Yeah, faster than we thought.
A lot happened this year.
AI, process automation, new tools everywhere. Everyone's talking about speed and breakthroughs, but honestly, it was a year of getting things to work, step by step.
So we made a short video just to look back for a moment.
So, leaders, have a look. Does this feel like your 2025?
Let us know what you think, and wishing you a strong start to 2026.
Hey, let's be honest. 2025 wasn't about AI breakthroughs. It was about getting things to actually work. Less hype, more responsibility, less experimenting for fun, more pressure to deliver. No big headlines, no magic tricks, just real work in the real world. Automation didn't make work disappear, it made the noise disappear. We cleared the space, we slowed it down so we could hear what really matters now. Reports got faster, processes got cleaner, decisions got clearer, days got leaner. Less chaos, less repeat, but something else happened underneath in the quiet. Between the lines, we found something we were missing all this time. People got their time back, not to do more work, but to do better work. Not to move faster, but to move with purpose. To think, to lead, to care, to choose what matters and be fully there. This is what progress feels like, when machines do their part and people use their heart. Smarter work, stronger teams, clearer minds, bigger meaning. Hey, let's be honest. The future of work feels human again.